Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jess.
And I'm Yael.
And today we're going to teach you how to make Christmas wreaths. Should we start?
Yeah.
Let's get started. So you're going to need a few things to make this wreath. First of all, we went to the dollar store and we got these wire wreath rings. You're also going to want to get some of this floral wire.
We chose green, but you can choose any color you like.
We made dried oranges. We made this Christmas bow.
And some cinnamon sticks tied up in a bow.
First, we're going to teach you how to make these embellishments for your wreath, and then we'll get started. Cheers. To make the dried oranges, I had to wake up a bit early, but no worries, nothing a little coffee can't fix. I went outside to slice my oranges because, hello, the sunrise was happening. Then lay your oranges on a parchment-lined baking sheet. It really is that simple, guys, and they turned out awesome. Once I had all my oranges sliced, I put them in the oven at 200 degrees. Mine took around 4 hours to dry out fully.
Now let's make cinnamon stick bundles. Take 3 cinnamon sticks,
Attach them using a dab of hot glue.
and then tie a piece of twine around them.
Again, another super easy addition to your wreath, and they smell amazing. For the bow, you'll need to cut 4 pieces of ribbon. I'll put the measurements down below.
Take 1 18-inch pieces, and hot glue the ends together.
Now do the same with the 15-inch long piece.
You're gonna hot glue the shorter loop on top of the longer one.
For the centerpiece, fold it in 3 and hot glue it in place.
And now wrap the centerpiece around your bow. Tuck in your 18-inch piece as you do this. Cut your tails on a diagonal to give them that extra special touch.
Lastly, before assembling, you're going to have to go out in your backyard and gather some greenery, making sure to only take what you need. You can also get greenery at your local garden center. The key here is to make sure you get enough variation in your greens so that you have lots of different textures and colors. The first step is to take your wire and you're going to take off a little bit and you're just going to tie it in a little knot. And then I'm going to wrap it around my ring. I'm going to wrap it around 3 times just to make sure it's secure. The next step is to start assembling your wreath. So you're gonna wanna grab a little bundle of greens. You want the pieces that are facing the center of your wreath to be a bit shorter and the ones on the outside need to be a bit longer because you wanna make sure you keep a hole in the center and that it doesn't get too bushy towards the center.
I'm gonna make a tiny bit smaller wreath because I want it to go on the door of my room.
That's really cute. And I like this little one here. So we've got our first little bundles here, and we're gonna place our bundles just over top of the wire, and then we're gonna wrap the wire around our bundle. Make sure you're getting all the layers and wrapping it nice and tight. Now we're gonna continue, so making another bundle. Now I'm just taking my bundle and I'm laying it on top of my other bundle, angle it the opposite direction a little bit. Now I'm just taking my wire and wrapping it around. Okay, on to bundle number 3.
Have to give this guy a little snip. He's escaping, let's just say that.
So we both have our last bundles here, and you're just gonna take your bundle and tuck it underneath the first bundle that you put on carefully. And then you're gonna wrap the wire around your bundle, being really careful not to destroy the first bundle you put on. You want your wire hidden underneath. Sometimes you might think it's your last bundle, but you actually need one more, so.
I think that's me right now.
I love it so much. Do you like it? The next step is just to trim this wire, loop it under your frame, and pull it tight, and then loop it a few more times. We just want it very, very, very secure. Cut a piece of string to create a tie. Now what you want to do is tie it in a knot, thread it underneath your wire frame, take the top of the loop and tuck it through the bottom of the loop. And now we're going gonna add on all the embellishments we made, guys. It's very simple. Just use your glue gun, find some spots, and you can hide any areas you don't like. We also made a video over on Yael's channel where we made a bunch of different types of melt and pour soap, so make sure you guys go check that out and show some love. I'll link it in the description below. We're done! These wreaths were super easy to make. What do you say?
Easy peasy lemon squeeze.
So we hope you'll try making your own Christmas wreath, getting out in nature, and good job!